sound like fun.
She also
You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. So much better. I don't fit to your bars. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better.
Good morning. I am having coffee in my cute little Santa mug, and I just made the girls eggs. We're gonna eat and have some toast. That is not the right time, by the way. I know people in my videos are always like, what is it, like 5 o'clock when you're filming? What's that, boo-boo? It's coming. Yeah, see, Sophia says, where's my breakfast? We gotta fix that though. But yeah, I just made myself a coffee. I have my big launch tomorrow, which would be today when I get this up. But yeah, it's just been such a busy week. I have lots to share with you guys. There we go. What a pretty pink. Like, I'm just obsessed. The girls, these cute little Barbie outfits. So show your jacket. It's beautiful. Turn around. So these are from H&M. Look how cute they are. I love them. How's your eggies? Good? Lucky? I've got some little Santa lists here. So cute. Oh, and we have... They put it under the tree for Santa, and look how cute these little bags are. I only have one present under the tree. I definitely... it's getting loud. I am really excited. I finished cleaning and decorating my office for the holidays, so I wanted to show you guys how it turned out, and I even put a Christmas tree in here. So right here, and I wasn't gonna do a Christmas tree, but then I was like, you know what, it's in the front of our house and it makes sense. It's nice, you can see it, and then it just encourages me when I'm working in here. So I put the little Christmas tree that I got from Amazon right here, which I think is really cute with the white fur. And then right here we have my newest chrome brushes, which I love, so I have them out for decor. I love this candle. It takes batteries, so I just turn this on every morning when it's dark, and that's all I really need, which is nice. So I do like that. It's kind of festive. And then I had my coffee on here. I was filming something this morning, so that's what was on here earlier. And then right back here we have the Nutcracker, which you guys would have seen this. I've done so many reels and videos on it, and I love it, so I'll link it down below. It is expensive, but I think well worth it because I will use it over the years, and it's also 4 feet tall. And then over here, this is just kind of where I hold some of my makeup bags and accessories and things like that. So I didn't decorate it like crazy, but just added a few things, my little Santa. And then right over here, I really love this area because I've been wanting to put one of these knitted blankets on my chair to make it cozy. So I have that. And then right behind we have my vase. I love the golden pink theme that I have going on in here. A little Nutcracker that is from Amazon. I'll link it down below, and just some small pieces of decor. I really like this little tree, and it actually lights up too, which is nice. Just for like, yeah, a little accent piece up here. And then this is one of my favorite pieces. I love this. I think I got it from HomeSense a few years ago. And then my little feather tree. In my cabinets, you guys already know I have a lot of stock that I have in my cabinets, but also I put a little coffee bar area, and I actually made a coffee earlier today. That's why I was filming in the kitchen. I usually do have to move things around my house quite frequently, but I did have my vanilla pump that I have there from Starbucks, and then some mugs, and yeah, and then my little mini fridge that I have my skincare in. Which I love this. It just made sense. I, again, was filming, so I put some stuff from up here, and it's in my makeup vanity right now, but I have to move things all around. But I just wanted to quickly show you guys what that looks like. In my office drawer, so I use the other side for stationery, then this side I have makeup because I do lots of filming. So we have my new chrome brushes, we've got my lashes, makeup, hair clips, sponges, my favorite sponges ever, and also some lip balms and powder. And these are those gold organizers that you guys have seen in a lot of my videos. They're hard to find. I will try to link different ones, but these ones I love. I try to scoop them anytime I go to Marshall's or HomeSense. And this I thought was really cute. So I got this at a market, which I just thought was really pretty to use as like a Christmas coaster because it had the gold foil in it, and it's really light. And I put my little fragrance, Jo Malone, on here. In the front right here, we just have this vase that I have. These pink pampas grass I got from Amazon. I will link it. I just think it's so beautiful. It stands out. It's very, very pink, more pink than I thought when I bought it, but I do think it looks nice. And then also right here, these are just some gifts that I have. They're little hats, and it came in a set, which I thought was really cute for Christmas. You guys have already seen this, so I'm at the last month in my day planner right here. We got December, have my Louis Vuitton planner and some pens, and then you guys know my keyboard. I got the pink one. This is from Amazon. Here I just have some stock that I have to put away. I use these drawers for like thank you cards and such like that, so you guys have seen these before. Nothing new. And then I also have my tripod stand, and right over here, so this is neat. This is actually for my tablet. Now I have an extremely large tablet, and I want to get a smaller one really soon that will actually fit in this, which will be nice, but it's so cute. You can actually type on it. Here I get asked questions all the time on because I film with it in my kitchen, and you guys have seen my tablet on it. I use it as like a tablet stand, phone stand, but it is from Amazon, and it's just the rose gold iPhone stand, so I will link it for you guys. Ornaments, a lot of these I actually got from that store that my mom found in Vancouver, and then also the rest of them were just from markets actually that I found. And I thought I would go with a different theme in our living room, so I'm adding more Christmas lights to that and ornaments and things like that, so I went with teal. And then in here I thought I would do pink just because it makes more sense, because that's kind of my office theme. So just a little office tour for you guys. I'm glad it's set up. I did have my coffee machine here, but I did move it because I film so much more in the kitchen right now, so it made sense, but it was nice having my coffee machine in here. And yeah, I do plan to be in here quite a lot more soon. So yeah, because we are getting back into designing and product development and stuff like that moving forward in January. I have 2 more launches actually coming out that are already done, so I'm really excited about that. But yeah, I really do like my office and the Christmas decor, and I will link as much as I can for you guys down in the description. Okay, so I've added some red. I added the Santa, and I've got also my coffee right here, which I know you guys have loved. So many people have inquired about this. It's the Paris Hilton one, and I love it. The little coffee press, so like it's super easy and quick to make as well. I did make a pot of my Smeg, which I really like this too. It's just like the classic way of making coffee. It's like, love doing that. And also I just did an entire unboxing of all the stuff from Tanya. We're doing like a product exchange reel, so I'm really excited about that, but I'll show you everything else she got me upstairs. Okay, and right here I wanted to show you these really cool candy cane branches that I got. I got these last year, but I wanted to incorporate some red just because, you know, it's the Santa color, and I just think it's really nice and it goes with the pink. But yeah, I really like how this turned out, really pretty. How cute are these? So I got these in pink and also teal. Those are from Tanya, and then she also got some like really pretty ornaments. Look at these snowflakes, they're so pretty. This one's like pink. I'm gonna put that on this tree. Now I have so many trees, so the one in my office is white, and then I put the pink one up here. She also got me this Nutcracker. Look how cute. And a little gingerbread. I'm obsessed with both of these. They're so cute. And then a sparkly silver one, which I really love. And then these little to-go cups, which I think is a great idea. I'm always on the go with the girls, taking them to school and everything, so this is perfect. Half the time my mugs won't even fit in the car. And then this glow recipe set that I got, and I already put it with all my skincare. My favorite dewdrops came in this set. This is like a perfect set for Christmas. And then this is really cute. It came with a mug. I'll show you guys the mug downstairs, but earmuffs. The girls actually stole them. They love earmuffs, so I have that. And then she also got me some facial wipes. My skincare situation just keeps growing. Like, look how much there is. right here my dewdrops, which are my favorite. I love the moisturizer as well. I've been using both, and then we have the toner right behind there. So I kind of alternate with the Lumiere one as well. So I use that one. And then I had these from Ipsy come in. That was from the advent calendar that I got. And then today I think I'm going to spend organizing my makeup because I have stuff everywhere. Also, she found me slippers. Like, look how cute these are with the little snowflake. I've been trying to find ones like this too, like warm, cozy ones. They're very hard to find at Winners. I feel like anything pink here just sells out so fast, so I love those. Then I also got these two from Tanya. Look how cute these are. The pink one and then the white one. I put everything out in our kitchen. I was filming yesterday, actually. I want to show you guys in a minute here. But look how cute these little Christmas trees are with my Nutcracker. She also got these unicorn ornaments too. You guys, are these not the cutest little gingerbread houses ever? I did a video, it's going up a reel with this company, Bakery Bling. I'll link them down below. They have the cutest little gingerbread houses. Like, look at this. So I'm really, really excited. We're going to be making more of them near Christmas, but look at the little unicorn and the snowman and the Christmas tree. So cute. I also have these plates that I got. So the little ones are from HomeSense. The ones underneath I got last year for Christmas, and HomeSense again, the larger sparkly one. I feel like I haven't shown you guys my little coffee area lately. So I have this for my milk frothing. And then this is the other mug that came with the ear muffs. Look how cute this is. And I feel like this is a good tea cup because I usually drink like a lot of tea, but I just love it. And then my tea set that I also have right here, that's from Amazon. And then my Santa mug that I've been using a lot. I wanted to show you guys the little kits that they come in. Look how cute. Like, these are perfect to gift for Christmas. I think these are such cute little sets. The girls love the unicorn one. There's this one, and then the more purpley one, which is super pretty. I just love the packaging. And then it has like all the instructions on the back side here. I have so much stuff that just arrived from Amazon, so I'm going to use these cute little name tags for them, finish up the presents. We are actually going to Vancouver this year for Christmas, so we fly out on Christmas Day, which I'm really excited to spend with the family. So yeah, but I'm hoping to have everything like done this week for presents. And I put this mirror in here. I feel like it's really nice for my filming setup and everything like that. And you guys have already seen like my setup, my tree and stuff from earlier. Just a reminder, we have the pink chrome collection. It's finally launched. It comes in this beautiful bag, which I am going to travel with this. It fits so much. And then you guys have seen the brushes right here. It comes with 15. And like, I'm sorry, these are just the most gorgeous handles. Like, I can't get over the chrome. They reflect different colors. They're so, so pretty. I also love the really pink ferrules that we did this year. So really, really gorgeous. I am going to end the vlog here though, you guys. So I hope you enjoyed it today. Okay, and she also got me this snowflake pillow. I almost forgot, but it's so cute. I put it in my office because it's just like really warm and cozy. But yeah, I am going to leave the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed today's video. And of course, I will see you guys in my next one. And I also got